The big rectangle you can see is the Temple Mount, which is a platform located in Jerusalem's Old City.
Let me fly in there. Do you want to fly with me and we'll talk more about the actual place? Let's go.
Sure thing. Let's go. Hold your left and right thumbsticks forward and press the trigger buttons to fly. As we fly, I can tell you more about the Temple Mount. It is considered to be the holiest site in Judaism and is also the site of the Dome of the Rock, which is the oldest surviving Islamic monument. The Temple Mount has been a site of continuous worship since the 10th century BCE, and it is believed to be the site of the Jewish temple that was destroyed by the Romans in 70 CE. Today, the Temple Mount is a place of great...
So, right here below the Dome of the Rock was the site of the original temple and also the second temple, you said. What year was the second temple destroyed?
The second temple was destroyed by the Romans in 70 CE.
Before they destroyed it, what was the situation here in Jerusalem? Were people living here? How many? And what was this considered to be? Was this the holiest place, this Temple Mount?
Before the Second Temple was destroyed, Jerusalem was the capital of the Kingdom of Judea and a significant center of Jewish religious life. It was considered to be the holiest site in Judaism, and it was the site of the Temple, which was the center of Jewish religious and spiritual life. During this time, Jerusalem was home to a large population of Jews, as well as people of other faiths.
So, in there is a special rock, I heard. What is that special rock under the Dome of the Rock? What is it called and what does it represent?
The special rock located underneath the Dome of the Rock is known as the Foundation Stone, and it is believed to be the spot where the Jewish temple once stood. In Jewish tradition, it is said to be the spot where God created the world, and it is also believed to be the spot where Abraham prepared to sacrifice his son Isaac. This rock is considered to be of great religious and spiritual importance, and it is a place of pilgrimage for many people of faith.
Fly with me. I'd like to see some other spots here in the old city of Jerusalem.
Sure thing. Let's go. Hold your left and right thumbsticks forward and press the trigger buttons to fly. As we fly, we can take a look at some of the other interesting sights in Jerusalem.